July 5th, 2025, Kennesaw, Georgia, Big Shanty. We're going to do a Civil War history video. We were going to do a short. There's just too much information to try to do a short here. We're going to do this about the Andrews raid, when the locomotive, the General, was stolen by Captain Andrews and 18 to 20 different volunteers, one civilian, and the General was chased north and caught after about 85 to 90 miles, 87 miles, something like that. So we are looking south on old US Highway 41, looking over there to the depot, across there to the Museum of Civil War and Locomotive History. We have a good video of the General inside there. That's information about the General. Downtown Memorial Park. The site of the Lacey Hotel where the Raiders stayed. It said is across the tracks over there. I guess where the museum is now. And it was hijacked April 12th, 1862, as the passengers and the crew of the train were eating breakfast at the Lacey Hotel. So the Lacey Hotel is gone. There is a sketch of it around here somewhere. It's maybe right here. No. We will see where the sketch is. This is dedicated to the captain and the conductor who gave chase to the General. Chased the General in 3 different locomotives, or even a pump car. I don't know if you'll be able to see that or not. Walk over here and get information on the Andrews raid. Now we have several Civil War videos about the General, and we have a good video inside of the General. The Andrews raid, about 6 a.m. April 12, 1862. Federal spy, contraband merchant. Got video up at Tunnel Hill where it went through. We got videos in several different places where the train went through. I've got a playlist of Civil War videos that you can check out. I will put a link to the playlist. Attach it to this video. A lot of Civil War history in this area. So the General and the museum, Southern Museum of Civil War and Locomotive History, is located right over there. And we will link, and that video of the General is in that Civil War history playlist, I think. If it's not, I will make sure that it is. I don't know if you could read that plaque or not about the General. We're in the shade. We're on the west side. Like I said, that's looking south down the old US 41. And that's looking west over there. We'll be adding some stuff to this. I don't know what's going on. Oh, you know, they may be having some type of Civil War reenactment with stuff going on. I don't know. I don't guess we're in the wrong parking lot over there. And this is interesting. What is this? They're not telling what it is, are they? Looks like maybe a well head for water. A pump, maybe a well head. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Maybe a fire hydrant. Unidrive, whatever that is. Unidrive motor. Well, maybe some of y'all will know what that is. Hadn't got all the trash from the celebration yesterday yet. There you go, little fella. You match that flower just right, don't you? We'll walk across the tracks over there now and get some pictures, video over there. Now, this is an interesting story about how Big Shanty got its name. The track being some 345 feet above the level of the Cartersville, 19 miles north, was about 18 feet per mile. So the railroad parlance, this was known as the big grade to the shanties, which was the shacks of the construction workers over there about 200 yards where there's a spring. Then it was later known as the big grade to the shanties, later shortened to Big Shanty Grade, finally to Big Shanty, which was changed to Kennesaw about 1870. June 1864, federal forces on the Kennesaw Mountain front drew supplies at this point. We may see if we can find that spring over there. I don't know. It's probably piped in, got it covered up.